Hey guys, this is the last question of this exercise of applications of trigonometry. Question is, in the adjacent figure, AC is given as 6 centimeters. This is AC. AC is given as 6 centimeters. AB is given as 5 centimeters. And angle BAC is given as 30 degrees. So BAC, which is nothing but angle A, right, which is equal to 30 degrees, is asking find the area of triangle ABC. So you might have learned about area of triangle in your lower classes, right? Area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Now in this triangle, which one is the base? Base means what? Which is nothing but support. On which side it is taking support? AC is the support, or you can say base. On this only this triangle can stand. So AC is said to be base. And how to locate height? Height is always vertical. Height is always measured to be vertical. So from point B, if I drop one perpendicular line, that is dotted line, which I can call this as height of the triangle. And this becomes height, so that what is this angle? 90 degrees. The other side is also equal to 90 degrees. Now let me write the formula for area of triangle. So area of triangle is nothing but half into base into height. Half into base into height is nothing but area of triangle, right? So here base is nothing but AC. So let me write like this: half into AC into height. Let me denote some point here, D. So BD is height. So height I can write as BD, which we don't know, right? But AC we know. Okay, so we have to find out this height using trigonometry. Once we get the value of height, we can find out. Anyways, we know the value of AC. AC is number 6 centimeters. We should calculate the value of BD, which is equal to H from this right angle triangle, because we know this length 5 centimeters. We know this angle 30 degrees. By knowing these two, one is side, other one is angle, we can find out the value of H. So how to find out H? To this 30 degrees, H is opposite side. To this 30 degrees, AD is what? AD is adjacent side. To this 30 degrees, AB is hypotenuse from the right angle triangle ADB, right? So when we know the value of hypotenuse, and can't we calculate the value of height using one of the trigonometric functions? Which trigonometric function is best suitable to substitute here? Sine, because we know the formula for sine. Sine theta is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So we know that. Let me write somewhere here. Okay, here I am writing. We know that sine theta is equal to opposite side upon hypotenuse. Opposite side upon hypotenuse. Let me erase this portion because it is not required now, right? So opposite side upon hypotenuse. So this is first portion. This is first portion. This is second portion I am writing here. So let me complete this side by side. Opposite side is what? To this right angle triangle. From right angle triangle ADB, opposite side to 30 degrees is BD, which is nothing but height H by hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So this is phi. But angle is given as 30 degrees. So let me use sine 30 degrees is equal to h upon phi, right? So sine 30 value, as you know, it's 1 by 2. So here I'll write 1 upon 2 is equal to h by phi. If you cross multiply these two, I'll get 2h is equal to 10. From this, h is equal to 5 meters. So I got height. H is nothing but what? BD. Right. So here, I mean, once I got the value of height as 5 meters, which is height of the triangle ABC, here I'll substitute. Therefore, let me use the symbol area of triangle as A. So from this I will get, okay, I'll do one thing. I'll take this as equation 1. H is equal to 5 meters, which implies BD is equal to 5 meters. I'll take this as equation 2. BD is equal to H, which is equal to 5 meters. I'll take that as equation 2. I'll substitute equation 2 in equation 1, so that substituting equation 2 in equation 1, what we get is, we get A is equal to, that is area of triangle is equal to half into, as you know, the value of AC, which is already given as 6, this is centimeters, I'm sorry, this is 5 centimeters, 5 centimeters, not meters. So half into 6 centimeters into, we got just now BD as 5 centimeters, so that I can cancel 2 1s, 2 3s, right? So that I will get the final answer as whether it is correct. So either it is 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is equal to h upon 5. So 2h is equal to 5. Oh, sorry. 2h is equal to 5 into 1 is 5. H is equal to, here what you will get is 2.5 centimeters. So this BD, okay, let me erase this part. So here I can write, implies BD is equal to 2.5 centimeters, equation equation 2. So I can substitute this equation 2 in equation 1 here, so that here instead of 5 centimeters, let me take 2.5 centimeters. Now if you multiply 2.5 with 3, you will get this. Is this visible? Let me finish off. This becomes 7.5 centimeter into centimeter square, or square centimeter. So square centimeter is the answer. 7.5 centimeter square or square centimeter is the answer. If you cannot see, let me just bend this so that it should be visible. So this is the final answer. 7.5 centimeter square is the answer, right? With this we have completed the exercise 12.1 of applications of trigonometry, right? Thank you all. Let us discuss very soon which is of exercise 12.2. Thank you all.